Welcome to the second RoVENT10 tutorial, which continues exactly where we finished the last registration and installation process. When starting RoVENT10 the first time, we will set some flags to filter what is displayed. The flags can be changed at any time in the Options menu. The first option is called Efficiency Selection. Select one label to choose which standard you wish to use to filter. FEI Ready is the standard for North America. The second option is called Product Selection. The product family is selected when the border is red. If the borders are gray, you will not see these products offered in your pull-down menus later. The 5 categories of products available in North America are axial fan, plug fans, centrifugal fans, EasyFind grid, and box fans. Select one or more of these by clicking on them to toggle your preferred products. Red borders are activated. The third option is EasyFind. We have created this option for users who are not familiar with our product type codes. For example, not everyone knows that GKHM is an EC fan module, or the DV is a roof fan. Enable the EasyFind feature by clicking on the binocular symbol on the right. After we start RoVENT10, an extra window will pop up which guides you through the fan selection process. We will have a closer look at this function in another tutorial. You may also filter by either product or application. When we are finished, we will click Continue. And again, don't worry, these settings can be changed anytime later in the software. Now we go back to home again. This is the main window of RoVENT10, and it consists of 8 separate windows. The first one is Quick Info. This is basically a piece of quick information about the selected product range, which is influenced by your selection here. The second one is the filter for frequency, motor type, and rated supply. The third window is the available product range. The fourth window shows the available fans with a selected product range. So, now we select a GKH CIB, and now you see all the fans that are available in this product range. The fifth one is the active fan, and it is possible to have up to 10 fans opened at the same time. The sixth window is the available configurations of the selected fan. This could be either mechanical or functional variations. In this example, we have GKHR, GKHM, and GKHS. The seventh window is the information related to the selected fan. We have 5 sections here. They are the diagram, technical data, drawing, documentation, and bill of material. And the last window is the diagram, or performance graph, with the data from the operating point. Let's do a quick example with GKHM at 6,000 cubic meters per hour at 1,000 pascals. In the active area of the graph, right-click the mouse. You can enter your operating points here in the menu. I'll type in 6,000 cubic meters per hour and 1,000 pascal. Okay, this is our operating point. So now we have these 5 windows here. The first and second are quite straightforward. So let's look at the drawing. We have added many thousand drawings to create a new modern and consistent look for our products. These drawings are associated with the configuration of the fan. If you choose the motorized impeller or module version, the drawing will change accordingly. So, you see a motorized impeller, and if you choose a module, the drawing will change to the module, and if you choose the spider, the drawing will change to the spider version. Let's look quickly at a second fan. AKFG 630. And let's have a look at the drawings there. We have all installation drawings integrated here. And there is even more. Gradually, we will also introduce other types of drawings. 3D files, if they are available, they will also be shown here. For example, this fan has a 3D file available. If you click on it, then you can save the file to your desktop. These files will be directly downloaded from the web. The next section is about documentation. There is a description of the specific fan range, as well as a detailed tender specification. The last section is the bill of material. Here, you will find article numbers, accessories, and some other options to prepare an official offer. New is the feature where accessories can add some additional information here on the right, like a short description, a tender text, or a PDF with further details. If certain accessory is added to the basket, the tender text will also be automatically added to the existing tender text of the fan. Let's go back to the GKHM. Let's select Module. And let's add a potentiometer with a case item. And let's add, say, an airflow monitoring sensor. Now, if we go back to the documentation tender specifications, we will see that the tender text of the accessory is automatically added to the existing tender text of the fan. So, finally, we are ready to print the offer. When clicking the print button, there are two choices now, a compact or a customized datasheet. Let's go ahead and choose a compact datasheet option, and let's add the price overview. And I would like to add the tender text here as well. Then I click OK. And this is the style of our Rosenberg fan data sheets. So, you will have the curve, operating point data, FEI data, technical data, sound data, the wiring diagram, and the drawing. Here is the bill of material added. And here is the tender specifications, with our extra accessory selected. So, congratulations! You have finished the second RoVENT 10 tutorial. Thank you for listening.